In this question, you're asked to prove that limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x whole power n minus 1 by x is equal to n. So let us take this limit. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x whole power n minus 1 by x. So what we do in this question is let 1 plus x is equal to t. So let us use the substitution. So if x tends to 0, where does 1 plus x go? As x goes to 0, 1 plus x goes to 1, right? So this limit becomes limit t tends to 1. 1 plus x is nothing but t. So you have t power n minus 1 divided by x. X is nothing but again t minus 1. So this looks like a standard limit, right? So limit x tends to a, x power n minus a power n by x minus a. So t power n minus 1 can be written as 1 power n. So what is the answer to this? N into a is 1 power n minus 1, which is equal to n is the answer. So hence proved. Right? So this is what you're asked to prove, that this limit is equal to